Okay, everyone, we're going to go over the analytics in Clever for our attendance purposes. So I'm in my Clever homepage right now. I'm going to click on Mrs. Hanson. And over here on the left are all my students. These students have logged in today or are currently logged in. Over here at the top is our analytics bar. So we're going to go to the analytics tab, click that. And over here is my total number of students, how many were active in the last 2 days, 3 to 7 days, or 12 days. I can, up here, I can go through and sort by resource. Right now, we're going to see who's been logged into Google Classroom because that's how we're keeping attendance. So I'm going to click Google Classroom, and I want to click the ones that have actually in the last couple days. So these students have logged into Google Classroom. It's going to show a Google Classroom only if they went through Clever to access Google Classroom. If they went straight into Google Classroom, like their Chromes are set up, it will show that they were active, but it'll still say no activity for Google Classroom in the last 7 days. But they were in Google Classroom. It's just not recognizing it because they went straight through Google Classroom. This is good enough for our attendance. This is how we're keeping track. This is telling me that these 6 kids or these 5 kids, I can't count, did log into Google Classroom. It just doesn't have the icon and tell me when. So I'm going to get rid of Google Classroom. These are my total number of students. I want to see all students and how they've logged in. It'll show each of the apps that they went to as long as they went to it via Clever. But right now, what's most important is that we can see the green button, the green circle, and that tells us that they were logged in. So that means that if they did not attend the Google Meet, our live Google Meet, but they were able to log in, we count them as here. They were present. Our attendance is required to be posted the day after. So if it's for Wednesday, we're going to post it Thursday morning. This refreshes. It takes a little while to refresh, 60 minutes, I think it says. I think it's 1 hour. So by the time the next day rolls around, it should have everything updated from the kids that were able to log on, that were not able to attend your Google Meet. Anyway, that's how we use the analytics for Clever. Happy first day of school, everyone.